there, or you can meet, follow you there?
Or you can meet, yeah, 37th floor.
I'll meet you.
Okay. See you later, alligator. Baby girl. So we're here at Grand Waikiki again. Because tomorrow is my baby girl's what you call that, GS prom. Yeah, baby, excited. So we're using our timeshare points that we haven't used from last year. We are going on the floor, baby. 37th floor. Yeah, 37th floor. What is it? 306, 3706, right there. Okay. 3706. Okay, get the key here, baby. Hala, di mo open.
You want to open?
You won't open. Waiting for you.
Oh, never mind.
There you go. Okay, it's been a while. We're here. We're back at Grand Waikiki from our timeshare. So look, this is the first bedroom. So with tub, jacuzzi. So my baby girl, she's staying here for her for her GS prom tomorrow. Bathroom. Baby, shower. The closet here. Oh, I thank you, Lord. They have the sleepers. They provide sleepers today. Because I didn't bring sleepers. Okay, so let's go to the next bedroom. So this is the dining area here. And the living area. So actually, this is a pull-out bed. Pull-out bed. Kitchen. It's a complete. They also have, I don't know where's the, right here. Their washing machine. Yeah, so they have a big kitchen. And let's go to the next room. Dim light. So this is the second bedroom. There's also a jacuzzi. Dim light tayo ngayon. And the bathroom, you can walk in here or you can also come inside here. Other way.
Tulog ako ba? Tulog ka tulog?
Two. Only two, right?
Ano siya tulog?
No, the three bedrooms katungkuan. Facing by the fireworks. This one is the city view. So nandito tayo sa Grand Waikiki. We're staying at the penthouse 37th floor. Ay, thank you Lord. Galing pa kami, nagsisimba kami. Nakapagsimba pa talaga kami doon sa Waimanalo. It's a Holy Thursday over here. So, ay, thank you Lord. So, welcome back to Grand Waikiki. Penthouse. Nasa penthouse tayo ngayon. So, kasya pa naman yung points natin. So, yung timeshare points ang ginamit natin dito sa penthouse. Kasi sobrang mahal. Alam nyo kung magkano na natin yung presyo nila. I know for the 3 bedrooms is 4,800 a night. And then for the 2 bedrooms is 3,000. Pakita ko sa inyo yung prices nila. Ayan, oh, tignan nyo. Yan, oh. See? Klaro ba? So, pag ano siya, 3 bedrooms, penthouse, 4,800 a night. Pag 2 bedrooms, penthouse is 3,900. Grabe mahal, ano? So, dito rin, depende kung saan view. So, kung nasa penthouse tayo, so ito yung prices ng penthouse. Penthouse ito. Ito yung prices. Pag 3 bedroom. 2 bedrooms itong kinuha natin. So, 3,900 a night. Yan. Mahal. Grabe, ano? Pero, wala akong ano dito. Ano ba yan? Ang naka-charge sa points ng timeshare. Yun ang maganda kapag may timeshare tayo. Kaya, hindi ko give up yung timeshare ko sa Hilton dahil magagamit ko talaga to dahil nandito lang kami. Nung buhay pa yung alaga ko si auntie noon, so yung points ng timeshare niya is million yun. So ayun, kaya palagi kami dito, nakapag-stay kami dito noon. Pero yun nga, dahil sa trabaho ko, busy ako sa trabaho, binigay yung points dun sa anak ng kaibigan niya. So yun ang yun ang gumamit. Grabe, ano. So I'm so grateful and thankful dahil kung hindi dahil sa kay auntie noon, hindi kami magkaroon ng ganito. We cannot afford this kind luxury hotel. Sobrang mahal talaga. But so grateful and thankful dahil thank you, Lord. We're back again. Kain na kami. Gabi na actually. It's time check. What time is it? The 9 o'clock? So, galing pa kami sa church. It's Holy Thursday dito ngayon. So, thank you Lord, nakapagsimba pa kami talaga. Kahit walang tulog si Amazing. So, ngayon, day off ko ngayon ng gabi. So, makatulog ako. Yun. Tignan natin yung labas dito sa ano. Sa Lanay. Ha? Oh, ito yung view dito sa Lanay. Dito, nasa ano tayo, city view tayo ngayon. So, hindi natin makikita yung fireworks bukas. Tingnan nyo. City view sa gabi. This is Honolulu, Hawaii. So, this is part from Waikiki side, I guess. This part over here. And Waikiki. So, ito yung Honolulu. Ganda. Ganda, diba? So, they have a big lanay over here. Malamig. Pasok tayo. Malamig. Nagugutom na kami. Ayan si Daddy. Nagugutom, ha? Tara, kain tayo. What's our ulam de? I didn't buy to meat kasi ano ngayon, Holy Thursday. So fish lang tayo yan. And bumili rin ako ng ito, pansit na. Where's the vegetable? Where's the seafood? No more? Yung kangkong de. Sarap yung kangkong. Yan, Ito, yung kangkong ang gusto ko. What is this day? Pansit. Kain muna tayo. Maligo na yung palangga ko. Naka-ready ano na siya. Hi, baby.
Hi. Mag-bubble bath.
Mag-bubble bath. Yeah, mag-bubble bath daw siya. Kain muna kami. Why are we eating here? There's a table over there.
It's okay.
Parang nasanay na talaga kaming kumakain kung saan-saan. Ganito lang kami dito. So, rock and roll. Strike everywhere. Kain ako ng ginger fish. Sarap na pagkain. Kain tayo. Galing kami, kakauwi lang namin sa church. So, nandito dumiretso kami ngayon sa Grand Waikikian. Hilton Grand Waikikian. Yung dinner namin, walang ano yan, walang meat ha. So, tangkong, pansit at saka fish, ginger, steamed fish. Kain tayo!